So the question is, can Stellar hit $1? Well, in order to answer that, we need to look at the historical numbers. And in the 2018 bull market, price came close, hitting 93 cents. That's when Bitcoin hit 20K. And in the bull market, that started in 2020 into 2021, price hit 80 cents while Bitcoin hit 64K. And crypto spring, we have price climbing to 20 cents while Bitcoin hovers around 30K. But this spike in price was primarily due to Ripple winning their lawsuit against the SEC. So can Stellar hit $1? Stay tuned to the end and I will give you the answer. In the meantime, let's look at this article from The Motley Fool, and it talks about the differences between Ripple and Stellar. And why does it talk about the difference? Well, these two coins tend to move in tandem together. All right, so with the dust settling on Ripple's SEC saga, many are turning to Stellar as the next potential pump. But with its current value hovering just below 15 cents, could Stellar ever reach $1? Now, why are they comparing Stellar to Ripple? Well, they were both co-founded by Jeb McCaleb, 2 years separate, 2 years apart, and he started Ripple and then left. He didn't like the direction that the company was going, and then developed Stellar. Why didn't he like the way things were going at Ripple? I think Jeb had different ideas of what he was trying to accomplish. Ripple caters to businesses. It facilitates real-time global transactions, allowing financial institutions to transfer money across borders swiftly and at a low cost. Stellar, on the other hand, caters to the people and the unbanked. And again, so that's the difference in terms of their mission, how they're managed. That's also different as well. You know, XRP in prior years got a bad rap as the crypto space was saying that XRP and Ripple were centralized. Case in point, XRP is managed by Ripple Labs, a for-profit company under CEO Brad Garlinghouse with profit-making ambitions. There's a company, a CEO, and a board of directors pulling the strings of development and future plans. The servers powering Ripple's blockchain network are the property of Ripple Labs. Now, Stellar, on the other hand, is fully decentralized and owned by the people. And like Ethereum and Bitcoin, Stellar's future direction is managed by voting and technology adoptions among the project's developers and transaction validation nodes. So can Stellar hit $1? Well, doing the math, Stellar would need to rise 500+%. Very doable in the crypto space. Now, I love how they go on and kind of give you a realistic view of if Stellar can hit $1. So they're saying if the Lumens, which is the Stellar token, can gain 15% a year, it will reach $1 in 11, 12 years. At a less realistic average growth rate of 30%, it will take 7 to 8 years. But that's assuming Stellar's still going to be around. That's assuming that Stellar's still going to have its competitive advantage or be known for what it's doing. You know, I would say since Stellar was created. There's just other projects and blockchains that are doing the same thing. Will Stellar be around? I think it will be in the years to come. It is one of the true OGs out there. But here's my answer. Stellar will never hit $1, and I apologize if I just upset the bulls, but it's never going to hit $1. Case in point, each of the last 2 bull runs, when Bitcoin made higher highs, Stellar Lumens made lower highs. So we are in crypto spring now. We're going to go into the next bull cycle, which already started, but it's really going to start this fall. And I don't anticipate Stellar getting to 80 cents this next bull market. Now let's drill down to the weekly. Obviously, price was range bound, played off nicely between weekly buyers and weekly sellers until it just shot up on the XRP news. So this is no longer valid. Obviously, you can see prices have pulled back. You had a lot of profit taken for those that were in, sub 10 cents. Just looking at this current pivot to the left, just to kind of see what I see of any levels of interest. I see this big cluster of trading at the 42-cent level. I would say that this is a realistic level that Stellar can get to during the next bull cycle. Short term, let's go down to the daily chart. This current price, looking to the left and up. This level was already consumed. Okay. Let's put a line here at 24 cents. Let's zoom out to the weekly. Okay. So depending on when the crypto bull cycle really kicks into gear, let's move that up to 25 cents. Look for a first target at 25 cents with a target at the 42-cent level. But again, in terms of Stellar getting to $1, it's not happening, folks. And it will never happen. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. Please like the video.